Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of WebStation Pro. It's a brand new software that allows you to be able to create websites right within your browser that you can then export in HTML and upload them to your server and have them hosted. Or alternatively, you can connect it right with your cPanel and have it update them automatically right from the software. Now, the benefits of this is you're able to build a website without needing any external program, without needing any software on your computer, and they all come with a whole bunch of templates that you can choose from to get you started. So as we can see here, I've clicked Create Campaign, and you can see it's got About Us pages, landing pages, sales pages, all sorts of different pages for you to be able to create thank you pages. So let's jump in and take a look at the builder itself, and I'll explain a little bit of what you can do with WebStation Pro. So here it is here. I've clicked on a random template here, and as you can see, it's got automatically animated background, it's got all the texty thing, all the things you need. So with this, with the text, it's as simple as just editing it on the fly. So I'm just going to write in demo text. Okay, so you can edit it on the fly as you go through. You've got a nice text editor on the right here. If I wanted to swap out the background image, I could do that also. What I can do on the left here is I can drag and move this as a block wherever I want it to be on my website. Okay, I can change the width of it to be full width, or whoops, that was the HTML. So I can change the width of it by clicking over here. So I can narrow it up, and I can widen it up as well. I can add it, clone it, I can delete it just by deleting it, just like that. Clone it by clicking the plus, okay, and also I can, if I've got the advanced coding skills, I could go through and edit the HTML and things like that as well, or the script for this block. Now, say for example, this is a site I want to add a video to. I can go through and I can click on the left here. There's a whole bunch of different drop downs I can choose. So I can choose menu, header, title, all these sorts of things, quotes, all these sorts of different things, and add it in. So I'm going to choose video, and then it gives you a few different ways to be able to display the video on the left. So if you just want a video player, if you want video next to text, we'll do a video next to text. So grab that, drop that over here, and you can see it's loading up. It's got a nice YouTube video player here, and it's got the text that I can edit just by clicking on it. For the video, I can edit the link by clicking edit link, change the link to the video that I want. Okay, let's go down to here where you can do the icons. What I do as well is I just simply click on the icon and I can change it to whatever I want it to be. Okay, so I can click and edit as much as I want. Same with the images, I can edit the link to the image if it's hosted, or just add an image as well to upload. Okay, so it's pretty easy to go through and edit your pages. Now the main benefit of this is it is simple to do this. It's got a whole bunch of preloaded templates for you to be able to create sales pages, for you to be able to create squeeze pages, landing pages, build out all the pages you need for a sales funnel. Okay, so this software does it all right within your browser. You don't need to download a desktop software and then export an HTML. It does it all for you. Okay, now what you can do once you've got this is we can build this project. So I'm going to call this create a build, and I'm just going to call this the demo, okay, and I'm going to build it. What this does is it takes my finished website once I've finished it, and it builds it into something that can be exported. So I'm just going to let that, there it is, it's loaded, build complete. Now what I can do is if I go over to the build, I can go export build, okay. Now to export the build, I can either download the HTML file, or I can upload it myself. I can export it directly to my own WordPress site that I've set up on my server by connecting up all my FTP details to be able to get access to it as well, and go into the directory and upload it, as simple as that. Or I can download it, give it to my developer, or do it manually as well. Very, very simple to be able to do. So that's basically it. WebStation Pro, very simple web page builder software, makes building professional looking pages dead simple, and is available today at a one-off cost. So I encourage you to check it out down below on the bonus page to find out more details about exactly what you can do with this. It's quite a simple, elegant solution for those who may not have a web building tool, maybe sick of paying a subscription fee for one, a monthly one, if you are hosting on, say for example, Wix, because to build and host you need to be on Wix for that sort of thing to do. So this allows you to be able to build as many websites as you want using this software, and then just upload it to your own hosting, saving you a bit of money down the track. So I encourage you to check it out in detail down below. Get in during the early bird while it's the best price possible. This is Sam, and it's been a pleasure to show you through WebStation Pro here today.